Looking into the future, what do Fortune 100 companies see? At Honeywell, we have transformed how we generate ideas and bring them to market more quickly than ever before. Honeywell's new product innovations and breakthrough initiatives reflect the depth of our domain knowledge and heritage to deeply understand and serve individual customer needs, while the breadth of markets we serve allow us to expand into new growth markets. As innovators, we are responding to complex times, so the technologies we are designing must quickly and easily create solutions that solve these intricate problems in flexible ways. At Honeywell, our new product innovations are already harnessing our software expertise to reflect the power of data, analytics, and the cloud to improve how we do business and serve our customers. The power of autonomous automation helps our customers meet quickly evolving supply chain and consumer behavior and demands, such as explosive growth of e-commerce. We are creating a sustainable world, one where businesses across industries can be an integral part of taking care of this planet through our offerings. Guided by a proven and disciplined combined R&D and go-to-market framework, we are inventing in a way that brings technology and human ingenuity together to create customer-centric and enduring solutions at internet speed. Our buildings' technologies keep occupants safer, comfortable, and informed. Software automation and autonomous technology work together.
Sustainability across industries is not just possible, but it's actually being implemented every day through Honeywell's industrial-strength software and multitude of innovative product offerings.
We embrace complex challenges and create solutions that deliver immediate impact and long-term results. No matter what global and local challenges we face, our focus at Honeywell remains the same. We are committed to innovation that drives business, improves the bottom line, and creates solutions for our customers and communities around the world.